Please let us know your favorite in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to never miss a good movie again.
This is Mask, Alabama.
We are an unarmed freighter. We have two skiffs approaching with armed intruders.
It's a true story about Captain Richard Phillips and the 2009 hijacking by Somali pirates. In April 2009, the U.S. container ship Maersk, Alabama, sails toward its destination on a day that seems like any other. Suddenly, Somali pirates race toward the vessel, climb aboard and take everyone hostage. Captain Richard Phillips looks to protect his crew from the hostile invaders. The pirates are after millions of dollars, and Phillips must use his wits to make sure everyone survives and returns home safely.
Monsters. Are they real?
It's about the New England whaling ship in 1820 was assaulted by a whale of mammoth size. The ship's surviving crew is pushed to their limits and forced to do the unthinkable to stay alive, braving storms, starvation, panic, and despair, as their captain searches for direction on the open sea, and he seeks to bring the great whale down.
It's about a writer that visits the Indian storyteller Pai Patel and asks him to tell his life story. Pai's father is a zoo owner, decided to move to Canada because the municipality is no longer supporting the zoo. They board on a Japanese cargo ship with the animals, and a violent deadly storm hits, followed by a shipwreck. He survives in a lifeboat with several of their zoo animals, including a Bengal tiger. Life of Pi is about faith, hope, and the fight to survive.
I love you.
It's a true story about a young couple's Tammy and Richard. On the adventure of a lifetime, they face one of the most catastrophic hurricanes in recorded history. After the storm, Tammy awakens to find Richard badly injured and their boat in ruins. With no hope for rescue, Tammy must find the strength to save herself and the only man she has ever loved.
I'm not letting you go.
There has to be a way, because Sarah's still up there. If it weren't for you, Dad, I wouldn't be here right now.
It's about Amy, her husband James, and their baby, travel to Mexico to sail in the yacht of their reckless friend Dan with their common friends Zach and Lauren. Miles away from the shore, they stop the yacht and swim. The group realizes that Dan forgot to put the ladder, and the freeboard makes impossible to climb back to the yacht. With the baby alone in the boat, they panic, and their desperation lead them to a tragic fight for survival. It's about a FedEx executive Chuck Noland is en route to an assignment in Malaysia when his plane crashes over the Pacific Ocean during a storm. He washes ashore on an island. When his efforts to sail away and contact help fail, he learns how to survive on his own, where he remains for years, accompanied by only his handmade volleyball friend, Wilson.